Hello students, we are in chapter 4th, Tribal Society and the Challenges of Colonialism. In previous video we already discussed the shifting cultivation and the settled cultivators and what impacts on the tribal life when forest law came by British. Now today we discuss tribal revolts in Chota Nagpur. As you know, due to hardly exploitation of tribal by British, many tribal groups are organized and formed many tribal revolts, and they are against of British government and also Jamindar administration and other parts of British. The folk song, folk tales and legends are the tribal glorify. This is the great act of heroism. The folk song also give a new idea for a struggle and unity in themselves. Santhal revolt, first Santhal revolt, due to high rent of Jamindar, and they at first they become the owner of land, but after that they become the bonded labor. The moneylender are cheated with him at high interest rate. Then the first Santhal revolt is between 55 to 57. But these revolts in Santhal region, and now today we can say that Bihar and Orissa, Santhal attack on money lenders, police, court officer and the landlords. Many Santhals died, the British officer and local money lenders. Finally, the British were forced to give some concession of the Santhal. They were assured protection against the exploitation of the moneylenders, policemen and the landlord. The leaders of the Santhal revolt were four brothers, Sidhu, Kanu, Chand and Bhairab. You also know that Sidhu Kanu is also a college in Jharkhand, Dumka, in the memory of Sidhu and Kanu. This is a great revolt in their time. Now a great leader came. That name is Birsa Munda. Birsa Munda gave a new type of strategy of the tribal society. They gave, I will double your crops, I will solve your all problem, but you support me. They give a new idea for unity of the tribal and also a strategy against the British. The main revolt took place in 1899 and 90, aimed at the driving away the British and establish the Munda Raj, because they wanted to go back to the golden age when Munda had been free from all injustice and oppressions. They not like the British and Jamindar or the outsider. In this revolt also the main target of attack were the British officer, missionaries, because missionaries also convert their religion, money leaders, Jamindar and policemen. They wanted to write on the land which belonged to their ancestor. As the leader of the Mundas, Birsa too wanted his people to revive the golden age of the past when Munda cultivated their lands and they become the owner of their land. The aim of revolt was to set up Munda Raj with Birsa as the leader. They attacked the landlords who were taking over their land, the moneylenders who cheat them, and the policemen who harass them, and the missionaries. Munda revolt showed that the tribal people can revolt against colonial oppression. Oppression, you know that oppression, शोषण करना, शोषित होने वाले लोग, and injustice, अन्याय के खिलाफ. They too have the courage of the stand up against the British rule. Birsa Munda was give back their traditional right over their land. Government officers were now more responsible to the complaints and grievances of the Munda after the Munda revolt. Revolt in Northeast, Nagas revolt against the British in 1849, but they were brutally suppressed by the British in 1851. Now the revolt of Khasi. You know that this is the Northeast India. The Assam, a special ethnic group that is called Khasis. They have special traditions. They also revolt against the British in 1829. The Khasi opposed the British who desired to construct the road which passes through their native land. But you also know that Khasis and British lasted for about 4 years. In the end, Khasis were brutally suppressed. As you know, just like Munda revolt, just like Santhal revolt, Khasi revolt is also brutally suppressed by British. Revolt of Kukis in Manipur and Tripura. Kukus were the inhabitants of the Lucille Hill in and around the region of Manipur and Tripura. They raided the British traditional respectively in 1829, 1844, 1859, but this revolt is also suppressed. Revolt in Khonds in Orissa. Khonds is a type of tribals that they feared the British who annexed their land and forced them adopt to their occupation. Finally, they were suppressed by the Britishers in 1848 and surrendered the British rule. And there are many other revolts by the different tribes. Khonds revolted in 1831, 1832. Bastar revolt in central India broke out in 1910 and Warli revolt in Maharashtra 1940. These tribal revolts proved that simple and innocent tribal people could revolt against oppression and exploitation of the colonial rule. When their passions crossed limit, they too took up arms against the British. जब किसी भी चीज को, किसी भी व्यक्ति को ज्यादा शोषण किया जाएगा, ज्यादा प्रताड़ित किया जाएगा, तो निश्चित वो हथियार जो है उठाने के लिए मजबूर हो जाएंगे. Okay, in next video we discuss more things related to tribals community. Okay, thank you very much.